Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. Did you ever make your nails so pretty that you didn't want to take them off after a few weeks have gone by? If so, here's how to refill your natural nail to achieve a brand new mani without having to soak them off. Keep watching this video to learn the exact steps on how to do that. We will be using the colors Skinny Dipping and Sea Breeze to refill the original manicure. Grab a gritty nail file like a 150 grit Rossi nail file and reduce the thickness at the nail base. Go over the entire surface to remove the top layer of your manicure. You can speed up this process by using a Rossi nail drill and a sanding band. Take the sanding band over the nail surface and get it rough. Dust off the nails and push up the cuticles. Make sure to blend the regrowth line so it's flush with the natural nail. Next, apply Rossi primer, focusing on the regrowth area. Wait 5 seconds for the primer to fully dry. Apply Rossi base coat a hairline away from the cuticle and dip right into the color. You can choose to add an additional layer of powder, but be careful, you don't want your nails to look bulky. Lightly brush away all of the excess powder using a soft kabuki brush. Next, liberally apply Rossi Activator to harden your powders and let it air dry for approximately 2 minutes. After the nails are completely dry, file, shape, and buff them. Once you're done with the buffing, wipe away any dust and apply 2 layers of the top coat using quick strokes. Apply the first layer to dry for about 2 minutes before applying the next layer. Apply the second and final layer of Rossi top coat. This layer can be slightly thicker. Make sure you are covering all areas of your nail surface. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. It's important to remember that if you have major lifting, it's better to soak off the manicure and start from scratch to avoid any contamination. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this material helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.